Hello guys, today I want to show you a new set of packs which I bought, and I replaced my old line 3300 batteries. I replaced them with this HRB 4000 milliamp 60C. I felt that 3300s is a bit less. I was getting like 3 minutes flight time with my flight style, and I went a bit higher in capacity now with this 4000 milliamps. They should roughly give me around 4 minutes to 5 minutes flight time depending on the head speed. Currently I'm in the break-in cycles, and I'm not forcing them too much, so I'm only flying around 4 minutes. This is like the fourth cycle, charging cycle, which I'm using them. And I fly around 4 minutes at around 1800 RPMs with my setup, and the cells are gonna discharge up to 3.85 around. So this is a good voltage to land when you want to break in your batteries. So I'm gonna fly them today, and I'm gonna show you at the end of the flight which is the voltage and how much milliamps I managed to discharge out of it. It should be around 2500 milliamps, so around maybe a bit more, around 60%, let's say. Okay. Okay, so I also have telemetry set up here, as you already know, and I will have here, this will show me the milliamps which I will use from the battery. This is the voltage which I am starting, so it's 50.3 volts, and this is gonna be the RPM. Of course, it's not about, the video is not about that, but let's fly it and see after 4 minutes what we get. Okay, so 4 minutes flight time, and we have 20 20.2076 milliamps at 45.42 volts. Yeah, this is quite good. I guess this means around 3.84 on cell, which is quite good, yeah. So after a few more cycles of braking in, I should also up the speed a bit and stay around 4 minutes flight time, but with more head speed. Maybe I will go around 2000 RPM. Yeah, so that was it with my new packs, HRB 4000 milliamps. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.